Koncha! How are we all? Miss me? Just kidding! Today we are visiting one of Tokyo's miracles, Yanesen, old downtown Tokyo. Yanesen is a collective of 3 neighboring areas, Yanaka, Nezu, and Sendagi. There are other downtown districts in Tokyo, but Yanesen is special because it somehow largely avoided the wrath of major earthquakes and the Tokyo fire bombings in World War II, allowing it to maintain its retro appeal. Visitors are always charmed by Yanesen's narrow back alleys, gritty wooden houses, izakaya pubs, atmospheric coffee shops, and retro mom-and-pop shops selling traditional sweets and snacks and street food. It's a perfect one-day excursion without having to leave Tokyo. Yanaka Ginza is the star attraction of Yanaka, and perhaps Yanesen itself. There's around 70 shops tightly crammed into a 170-meter stretch. There's heaps of traditional souvenir shops, street food to try, and restaurants to choose from. Visit to catch the sunset at the Yuyake-dandan, or Sunset Steps. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation. We did 5 takes and gave up. As the name implies, it's a famous sunset viewing spot in town. This spot is regularly featured in media and naturally is a very popular Instagram spot. The Great Himalaya Cedar Tree of Yanaka is an icon of the area, well loved by locals. Sadly, the tree suffered heavy damage from a typhoon in 2019 and had to be heavily trimmed down. This is the tree in its former glory. What do you guys think? How many years before we can take this shot again? The main attraction in Nezu is Nezu Shrine for its tunnel of brilliant red torii arches. Some visitors casually call it Mini Kyoto, in reference to Fushimi Inari Shrine, which has the same tunnel, but on a much grander scale. Sendagi is the mixed residential and shopping area sandwiched between Nezu and Yanaka. It's a great place to kick back and enjoy a coffee break on your walk. Anyway, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Hope you found it insightful and perhaps inspire your future trip to Japan. That's it for me today, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Toodaloo!